तो सुनील, हमारी कंसिस्टेंसी के अलावा ना लास्ट मिनट पे वो एक सोर्स हम रखते हैं जो हमारे लिए बहुत ही रिलायबल साबित होता है एग्जाम के रिजल्ट आने के बाद। इस तो हर सेक्शन में ना, हर सेक्शन से आपसे पूछूंगा तो आपके लिए कौन सा सोर्स रहा? सबसे पहले इंग्लिश।
Sir, in English, the reading links that sir had sent us and vocabulary flashcards I have made from that. तो वो दोनों like just the flashcards.
आरसीसीआर।
RCCR में the list of tones, list of figures of speech, and flaws in argument, and AR also.
अंडरस्टूड। लीगल।
So in legal, there were some landmark judgments that you have told us over the whole year. So I read some articles on those judgments, and even some bare judgments also from some sources. So I have done those.
मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स।
Sir, in current affairs, the most important list that we have been provided with, that was sufficient. And along with that, all the mocks that we had, I tore up the GK section so that I don't miss any pointers that have been asked in our mocks based on those topics. So I did these two, and that was enough.
और हम सबका फेवरेट मैथ्स।
In maths, I have formula sheet, and I read the formulas, and there are some keywords and all that.
तो सुनील, हम सब जानते हैं कि कहीं ना कहीं एज अ टीचर हमने कैसे ना कैसे मोटिवेट किया होगा और वो सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, बट वो एक व्यक्ति जिसको तुम पूरा क्रेडिट देना चाहोगे, वो कौन रहा तुम्हारी इस जर्नी में, इस मोटिवेशन?
Sir, my father, he has trusted me in everything. He has trusted me on all the times, and he has provided me with the kind of support that is needed when we have already one time we have failed in the exam. He supported me. He